Hi guys, this week our focus is order of operations and using GEMDAS to solve numerical expressions that have more than one operation. So please use this video if you get stuck in class or if you're at home working on homework and you get stuck. Okay, so let's jump right into it. Here I have a numerical expression. I have 7 times 10 plus 9 divided by 3. Well, I have a lot of numbers and I have different operations. I have multiplication, addition, and division. Now, chaos would rule the world if we did not have an agreed upon method for solving expressions that have more than one operation. So we do have an agreed upon method, and that agreed upon method is the order of operations, which we call GEMDAS. The G is for grouping symbols. That's all your parentheses, brackets, and braces. Then we check for E exponents. After that, we look for multiplication and division. These two operations are equally important, so we just look at our problem, and whichever one happens to be first, we solve in that order, left to right. And then, of course, the last thing we check for is addition and subtraction, and it follows the same rule as multiplication and division. We solve those left to right according to the specific problem that we're working on at the time. So when I look at this problem, I have a decision to make. Where do I start? Well, to get that answer, I follow the order of operations. I look and I see that I don't have any grouping symbols, so I don't have to worry about that. I also notice there are no exponents. So I'm thinking about multiplication and division. Well, I see both 7 times 10, that's one option, or 9 divided by 3. Luckily, there's a rule. Because I have both multiplication and division, I solve whichever one is first in my problem. So I'll start with 7 times 10. I multiply that out, I get 70. Now this is an important step. I bring every number and every symbol down that I have not already evaluated or solved. Okay, so that's going to be my plus sign, the 9, the division sign, and the 3. And now I clear my brain and I get ready to make another decision. Will I do 70 plus 9 next, or 9 divided by 3? Well, according to order of operations, I'm going to solve my division before I solve this addition. Okay, so 9 divided by 3 is 3. I bring down everything that I have not already evaluated. And now I'm on my final step, which is 70 plus 3, which would make my final answer 73. And that's how you use the order of operations to evaluate numerical expressions. Bye.